I get so caught up in the middle.
Hey y'all, sorry it's my tripod. Oliver is currently at the bottom of it, but today's video is a fall decorate and clean with me. As you can see, I have my fall decorations back here. So we're gonna get all that put out. I'm so excited. Fall is my favorite time of the year, so there's not much really else to say other than let's get into it.
First thing I'm going to do is a load of laundry. If you've been on my channel for a while, then you know that I absolutely suck at remembering to do laundry. As I'm sitting here doing this voiceover, I just realized that that same load of laundry that I'm doing in this video is still sitting in my washing machine, and it's been a couple of days now.
I'll be your light.
Going to get into my favorite part is this whole video, which is decorating for fall. First thing I'm going to do is put up my wreath, and then I'm going to put this little pumpkin outside. I don't really have a lot of outside fall decorations. I'm hoping to get some more so that, you know, the outside can be as fall as it is on the inside. But I do love this little pumpkin, and I love the verse that's on it, so you get what you can. The next thing I'm going to do is start picking up in the living room. Actually, it wasn't just me. Jared helped pick up, and so did Parker. It was kind of a team effort because I just was not feeling good this day. Honestly, like, my back was killing me. All of us are sick, so it was a little hard to get everything done this day.
And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light.
So now that we mostly got everything picked up, I'm just going to change out the pillows that are sitting here on my big couch. I'm just going to put the blue pillows and the yellow pillow over into the corner for now until I can figure out where I'm going to put it. And then I'm going to switch over to my fall pillows that I just got from TJ Maxx.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching
is actually later in the day now. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to make up the couch again, fold my blanket and get the pillows looking nice, and then I'm going to switch this wreath that is on this window pane above the couch. I'm going to switch the wreath into this. Here's me and Jared fighting over the fact that he could not open the cheese, and so he was begging me to do it. But as I was saying, I'm going to switch the wreath over to this fall wreath that I had put up that I had actually completely forgotten about. Now I'm going to work on the entertainment center. This honestly always looks a mess. I do not know how to get it fixed. There are some boxes of photos that I need to put in the photo albums. There is the PS4 and all that stuff. But for what I have and for what I'm working with, I think this turned out really good. And then I'm just going to walk into the hallway and just do a couple things there. Then I actually found another, I don't know what you would call that, but I just put that on the entertainment center next to the TV. And then I'm going to work on this little table that we have in the hallway. As you can see, it's kind of a mess because that's the only place that Jared can have his magic cards. And he is obsessed with magic cards, so I let him have that little spot right there and just decorate what I can. Something in my brain wants you. So for the two-tiered tray that I have here, I thought that I had some fall flowers that I could have switched out with the roses. That's why you see me take them out and then put them back, because I actually did not have flowers to put there. I thought that I did, but they were like these long ones that I had for a vase. They weren't small like that one. So for the two-tiered tray, I just put in a couple of pumpkins and let it be that. I just can't stop thinking about you. I'm just going to switch out these flowers for some fall color flowers. They turned out amazing. I absolutely love fall colors. They pop so well against everything else. So I was very excited to put these next to my Keurig. It's my favorite drug. I found this fall leaf garland thing I got from Dollar Tree, and I thought that would look cute like around these pumpkins that I put on the table in the hallway. Hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel. And now I'm just going to switch out my energy candle for a fall inspired candle. This is called pumpkin cheesecake, and it smells absolutely amazing. Now I am just going to clean off the table and get it all decorated for fall. I got a new table runner from TJ Maxx I absolutely fell in love with, and I think that it turned out so amazing. You're the reason I can't get out of my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside, outside, outside. It's cold outside.
Right, y'all, that is going to be the end of this video. I hope that it got you some inspiration for fall. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting me know what you think, like this video, and subscribe to my channel.